First word. Pull. Pull means खींचे. Let's see one example. Pull the door. दरवाजा खींचे. Second word. Shirt. Shirt means कमीज. Let's see one example. I like red shirt. मुझे लाल कमीज पसंद है. Third word. Follow. Follow means का पालन करें. Let's see one example. Follow traffic rules. यातायात नियमों का पालन करें. Fourth word. Pleased. Pleased means खुशी. Let's see one example. I am pleased to meet you. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Fifth word. Excitement. Excitement means उत्साह. Let's see one example. I forgot my purse in excitement. मैं उत्साह में अपना पर्स भूल गया. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.